Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to talk about how to do a typewriter effect, especially the sound one on your video while writing some text. Usually, the best way is basically that you type the clicking and record the sounds of each click when you write some wording, or you record the sound of one click and basically repeat this click whenever you have a new character that you show on the screen. But this is exhausting. It takes a lot of time. And some people actually use another method, which basically that they put some text showing the typewriter visual effect. But when it comes to sound, they put any sound of typewriter, okay, and basically that's it. But the problem here that is not synchronized. The sound is not synchronized with the text itself or the characters showing on the screen. So today we are going to learn about another method, okay, that is more efficient, does not go to the very detailed version or does not ignore the synchronization and make it just, I would say, the ugly and fast way. Today we're going to do an efficient way on how to do the typewriter effect. So let's proceed.
So basically, I am going to provide you with 3 audio files. Basically, a fast typing, normal typing, and slow typing. The fast one has 30 characters, typing 30 characters per around 2 seconds. The normal typing is basically the sound of typing 10 characters, and it takes around 2 seconds. And the slow one, it only has 5 characters, and it will last for 2 seconds. So let's put these in our video editing application. For today, I'm going to use Filmora, but you could use anything or any other things. So the idea here that we are going to have some text inside the screen, okay? Or like, let's say, for example, we are going to write some title, and let's choose a short one for now, for the first case. And let's say, for example, like no more tears, no more cries, for example. And let's copy this text here. So the idea here that we would like to have this text to be with the animation of typewriter. So first, the thing that you would like to do is basically going to animation and look for the typewriter way. So we have this kind of way that we could do, okay. Or basically, let's make this one longer to see it better. So this way, or we could have this one, or we could have also this type, or this one. So I would select the second one. Okay, this is going to be my way for today. And then I'm going to select. So I will use it for my title. You can see that we can play it here. So this is a normal thing. So the idea here that we have 3 audio files. Let's try the normal character. So this one basically it has normal speed, 10 characters per 2 seconds. So first we need to count how many characters do we have. So for here, let's go to the word count here, this character count, press count, and we see it's 28 characters. So 28 characters, that means, and this file on the normal typing, it has 10 characters per 2 seconds, which means that to have 28, we need to repeat this one 2 times. So basically, we copy this file and repeat it 2 times. So that means we have here 30 characters. And to have 28, I'm going to cut it here. I'll remove this one. So for now, we can see that we have here 28 characters, and these 28 characters are taking around 5 18 seconds. So here is the idea. We need to make the text or the animation for the text to take also the same duration, which is 18 seconds. So I'm going to extend this one. But okay, we can see that the animation is still taking, basically we have the N or the entering animation, and the duration here is 0.84. So let's make this one actually to the maximum, which is, I would say, no, like let's make it the same value for the audio itself that we have. The audio is 5.18, so I would say let's make this one 5.18. okay, this is going to be the duration of the entering the character or writing the characters themselves. Sometimes you might need the text to take longer or to stay longer, so basically we can make this one longer, there's no problem. But basically enter the characters is going to end at this, or at 5 seconds and 18, which basically is correct here. So we can see here this animation is going to take, to enter or to write the characters, going to take 5 seconds and 18. Okay, 18.18. So basically this is the duration of this typing. So we can see that it's more, the sound of these characters, it's more synchronized when we have 10 characters, and basically this is 28. So the idea itself, as you see, that we keep the audio itself, basically it has 10 characters, we repeat it until we have the same duration that we have, and basically this is going to be, basically as we see here, for example, we have 28 characters over 10. That means we need 2.8, we'll have to repeat it 2 times and basically remove the last 2 clicks, or the sounds of 2 clicks, and basically by doing this we have created the typewriter effect. Sometimes you might need to make it faster, but I would recommend don't make the speed of these sounds to be too fast. You might, for example, like increase it by 1.2, okay, by a factor of 1.2. Let's say for example speed and make this one 1.2. That would be fine. Or you make it slower, I would say 0.8. Don't make it more than this or less than this, because the sound is going to sound very weird. So I don't recommend this. But in general, these timing, I would say they are good as a normal typing, for example. Let's take another case that we are going to do this one, or these characters, but using a slow typing. Okay, so in this case I'm going to remove these, and we can see that this one, slow typing, we bring it here. It has 5 characters, and these 5 characters takes 2 seconds. Okay, so as we know, we have here 2 second 0.05. We have here 28 characters. That means we need to repeat this one like around 6 times. So we will have this one, we copy, and we 1, like we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and basically we go by the end to remove the last 2 characters. And we look at the duration, we can see that this one takes around 12 seconds. So I will go here to the text, I will go to the duration itself. I need to extend this one first. Let's extend it for the whole duration of the time of the sound itself. Let's make it more, but I will stop here, or like make the entering of the characters to stop here, and we are going to come here and make this one 12. So by doing this we have done the typing itself. So let's hear it. Okay, I hope this was clear to you. Let's do the last option for us, and I would say the last option, it's going to the fast one. But for the fast one, we usually let's have a long text instead of these short ones. So let's remove all of these. Let's remove these ones. Let's make this one 12, and let's type everything. Okay, let's count this one, and let's make the font bigger. Okay, we reduce this one. So here we have 324. So 324 over 30. That means we need to repeat it around 11 times. Okay. So repeat the first one 11 times. Okay, so we press copy and we come here. We have 1. So we need that 10 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So by going here, we have around 31 seconds. 31 seconds. Let's extend the text. That's long, but just for trying this one. So 31 seconds. Let's go to the text. Let's go to animation. Make this one 31. So by doing this, we are having our animation is ready. So let's start and see it. So I hope this one has been beneficial for you. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.